Hello guys, welcome back to the Coding Corner. I am back with the 5th episode of the Java tutorial series. In the last two videos, we had seen the different types of data types, but it was not clear what we could do with them. So in this video, we are going to see what we can do with these data types. Only for numbers for now, I'll make a video for strings separately. I hope you enjoy. So first, we'll create a new class. We'll click on the new class button. Type in the new class name, which is operators, and we'll click on OK. After that, we'll right click on our window and we're going to open the editor. The editor opens. Now we will remove all this code. We'll do the class declaration, public class operators, and the main method declaration, public static void main string args, and after that we are going to close these brackets, and now we are ready to write our code. So what are operators? So in this video there are three types of operators. There are mathematical operators, logical operators, and relational operators. In this video we are going to talk about mathematical operators. There are 5 mathematical operators in Java. Addition, which is symbolified by the plus sign; the subtraction, which is symbolified by the minus sign; multiplication, which is symbolified by the star sign; division, which is symbolified by the forward slash sign; and modulus, symbolified by the percentage symbol, and it is used to show the remainder if two particular numbers are divided. So suppose 3 modulus 2 is equal to 1, because 3 divided by 2 gives us the remainder of 1. That's why. Let's use them and see how they work. So let's create 3 int variables for now. You can do the same with other numeric data types, but int is convenient, so we'll go with int. So we'll declare int a is equal to 4 and int b is equal to 2. Let's go with that. We'll create a third int c is equal to, let's do a plus b. So we are going to use the addition. So now we'll do a plus b. We are going to write code to print that out. We'll pass in c, and as you should expect, it should show the result of 6, and it will. Now let's create another variable. Let's create int d. In that we are going to do our second operation, which is a minus b. After that, let's print that out as well. We'll just change it to d. Good. After that we are going to create an int e. In that also, now we'll use the multiplication sign b, and we are going to copy this out too, and we are going to pass in e. After that we are going to use int f, which is equal to, now we are going to do the division, so a divided by b. After that we are again going to copy paste this line, and now we are going to change this to f here, right here. After that, let's do our last one, which is the modulus operator. G is equal to a modulus b. Once we have done that, we are going to print that out as well. Well, you may think, here I have left some space right here and no space here. Let me tell you, as I've told you in my first video, space doesn't really matter, so it can be as much as you like. This is going to mean the same. Okay, so now let's change this to g right here. Oops. Okay, so now what we are going to do is we are going to print all of this out. So what should be the results? It should be 6, 2, 8, 2 and 0. So let's check that out. We'll compile it. It shows class compile, no syntax errors. We are going to cross this out. We are going to right click on it, void main string args, and as you can see, it has printed out all the results. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you learned how to perform mathematical calculations in Java. I hope you enjoyed. Take care of yourself. Cheers.